Ladies and gentlemen, representing Storm Thunder represents take on, I believe it's Sioux Falls this time.
Go. Man, don't do this. Go.
Right, I wish you the best of luck, man. You think you might win this game?
I hope so.
All right. We'll see what happens. Going back to the team bat right now. It's a pretty neat show. Might Walker will warm up. Maybe they might be able to win this game. We'll find out. Hey Todd.
Hey Eric.
How you doing?
Pretty good, buddy.
I wrapped up 9 points in that last game. 9 points. In my team, we had a really good feat. I wrapped up 9 points in the game. It's really a 1 3-pointer right there. We'll try to see what happens with the table. Who will be the victor? The representing Storm Thunder or Sioux Falls? Enjoy the first half. And there's the start. We'll find a full start right there. We'll find a full start right here. We'll miss you. We'll try it again here. Alright. Alright, let's just try to see. And we'll find some good stuff. Good grab by the representing Storm. Passing the first right now. Well, it's just try to see. Alright, first we'll try to get the bus. Just passing the 34, I mean. 4-3-2. Way to go for the first start of the representing Storm. There's no after Thunder team. Sioux Falls try to get some sooner here. Okay, we'll try to get past the defense here. So 0. But right we now try to representing Storm Thunder. And pass the first here. That's and no good. No good on that one. Yes. Well, it's a good shot right there. So you're going to emphasize your assistance, right? Number 20, go 0 with that. Number 30, you're right, just back to defender here. Try to see what happens. That's right. We'll find a foul. We'll find a foul on the representing Storm Thunder. Is that good? It's hot here. Yeah, right. I'm going to people here. Alright, this is one right here. I'll try again for it. There's going to be people in the way. Everybody, yeah, man, this. This one right here. Going over here, try to shoot right now. So yeah. Perfect 3-point shot right there. I apologize, there's so many people walking past by. Okay. Passing first. First is that by Echo. Passing. This guy too. And no good. That's it. No good on that one. And yes, too. We'll find by me Alabama on the Sioux Falls team right there. try to. Did it? Almost missed the Buckingham. Almost. But alright, see what happens here. Oh, I can see her up there this way. Oh, I am. See her away. She's all here. Passing, ball case here. She's falling off the ball right here. But he's trying to get back to the defense right now. And in fact, it's just ball. They left the bear. Well, right now, Rapid Storm Thunder are clearly by 2 points right now. We'll see if they can answer it right here. First base shot. High 44. Alright, basically see what you're just fine here. Oh boy, we'll find a foul on Rapid Storm. Boy, that's a personal foul on the Storm. Alright. Yeah, there's so many people walking in the way here. Alright, good. And we'll try to call me most of it here. Try to get back in the lead here. I'm gonna try. I hate to hear a whistle and pass for sure. I tell you what, there's so many people in the way. I'm gonna try to see how to walk past it. I'm gonna try to get in a better spot. I'm gonna try to get in a better spot here. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay. I'm in a better spot right now. There's just so many people walking past by. And I want to make sure cheerleaders are looking at each other just out of respect. That was good for the Rapid Storm Thunder here. But there is a special winter here. Looking at cheerleaders and going to bump up the Rapid Storm. And there's a storm right here. Go good. And we'll find an out of bounds on the ball team right there. First try. Guys going to throw the three. Go good. And guys go. Alright. I'm going to try to get the ball here. Passing it. 43 takes the rebound, but we'll fight. We'll have a foul on the two balls here. 55. Going for three. Oh, it makes a three right there. So we're Smith and Wimpy. It makes a great effort no matter what. But this man, 55 seconds on the clock right here. I know you do. Trying to cut the weed here. I gotta cut the weed. This ball's right to shoot. And it looks like a steal by first try to miss a shot. First miss a shot? Oh no. Well, a great effort by the ref of Sioux Storm. This see right here. He tried to get past the defender right here. And it's like first beautiful ball. Now you go for free. Almost a 3-pointer right there.
Right there, Josh. Josh, right there. Right. Go box. Go box.
That's 32 height. That's it. And it looks like a short right there by Sioux Paul. I take a frame of mine. It is a full game right there. It was like timeout on the Storm. Oh, we're back on the Mayhem basketball. Representing Storm Thunder. Storm representing Storm Thunder. I think the way here is trying to pass it to Troy. Troy two. Hey, man, the basket. It's not very passing to Troy. He's a king of shooters. Passing to 7-0. Passing to ball. Anyway, number 32 right. Successfully got the ball away from the Rapid Storm. Rapid Storm got that fumble right there. And a great rebound by Troy. Great. One minute easier to try to pass it to Troy. But I know Troy very well. He's a king of shooter. He was used to being a flame guy. That guy's still no killer. And it looks like Troy missed an easy basket. Oh, he's so amazing. That would have been a good shot by Troy. He might miss it anyway, but I think that was. Looks like Troy got a foul, on Sioux Falls. Looks like Troy got a well, hey, 2 shots right there. Maybe Troy might be too good. We'll just try to he had to take his time here now. Okay, let's see what Troy has to do. Troy up. Close, okay. Maybe Troy here missed the second one. A shoot. And he did it. Yeah, we're down to 1 right now. We're right down to 1 point right now. Thunder doing pretty good. Boy, two balls went out of bounds and right. Now it is a Washington Storm ball.
Yes, you got 32 now.
First right now to you. Right out of bounds on the Storm here. 2 minutes, 50 seconds left on the clock right here. In the first half here. It's nailed by a racer. 2 balls right there. Number 40 can try to shoot. Oh boy, he's trying to get a bust right there. Well, it's a high team. Someone might be able to get a 3-pointer on that one. Troy can try to shoot. Hey, Mr. Bucket! Probably bring down 1 right there. Number 40. Hey, shoot. Hey, we'll fight. There's strong, first right there, right, making half a turn now. By essence. Oh, he's got higher here. I get a little bit of pressure right here, you know. Pressure right too. I got nothing but air that time. Pass there for. That's boy. Short right there. Well, I can short something kind of trouble a little bit here. And then use something right here, you know. Oh, around something for half here. All the time, too. Play. A little bit lower this time of here. I mean, a little bit higher here, you know. So here I see something here. 50 seconds with some 14, 13. There's the guy here with the over rainbow. 5 seconds right here. 2. Oh no. And that's for half. Here at the halftime report. Alright, welcome to the halftime report. Or home to the commentator. We will be through with the Washington Storm Thunder. We're trailing by 5 points right now. 15 to 11 right there. 15 to 11. Washington. 2 balls, I mean. But I made the Washington Storm Thunder here a lot of effort right there. How you guys doing today? Headshot. Hey, Troy. Well, now we're here at halftime show. Here we are. Hey Justin, how you doing?
Doing good, man.
How you guys doing? Hope you do better in the next game.
Huh?
I hope you guys do better in the next game.
Oh, they're not letting me play at all. back to the motel or something.
Oh, hey. Wait, I can try to see how the team is doing. So. Hey, so how you doing?
Oh, God.
Anything to improve on?
Yeah, we need to improve on our help defense.
All right.
Yeah,
So how are
but
you doing?
hey, get a little insight from this system.
Hey, how you doing, man?
Good.
What's your insight today?
People,
All right.
tell them some stuff we need to do.
Tell the coach right away.
My guys had to do it for me.
All right. Okay, that's a high report. All right, welcome to the first half. And we'll play the other short of the next from 2 balls right there. So, well, I see what, how can the Rapid Storm family to improve on the game? That's just 5%. Let's do it right here. 2 balls and that's a field goal. Oh boy. That was pretty good. And it looks like 2 balls and heading to Las Vegas. That's kind of my way of saying traveling. Looks like a travel ball on 2 balls. My answer is yes. Okay, so, and it's good, busted by the ref. But yeah, 5. That's pretty good. Yeah, 13-8, favored by 5. So yeah, you see the rebounds are a little bit better. But this guy, it looks like someone was kind of fumbling for the ball right there a little bit. First of that. Oh boy. That was good for the Thunder here. Hey, that's his. I'm no good on 2 balls here, but it's kind of. Okay, I think I have bounds from Rapid Storm right there. Hey, Jeff, what's going on, man? Oh, I got here.
That was good.
Yeah, he got snapped up. Well, I'm focusing on the game right now. This 5-2, real good. That's Justin. You better not let your kid hear that, hey. Oh, you better not hear that kid. What you hit for that one, hey. I gotta focus me on the game here. We have a point short right here. It appears to be a 3-pointer right there. It seemed like Justin seemed to have some issues himself, mental issues. He also being better for high school, though. He had to be a Corey. Well, 44 on having to call a foul right there. Corey will just shoot shots for sure. See what happens. Dude, you're on the first free throw line. Let's try to go one more. Corey goes. Alright. You gotta get one.
That was on wall. Yeah, I know. Let it go.
Oh, what's going on here? The guy who said, that was probably pretty complaining that it was the ball there. So, we'll let him push for sure. Well, I can tell you here you were frustrated here. And it looks like one of the players got hurt on the other side here when he fall. So. It looks like you're a little bit of trouble with her swing. I think it is. Corey 2. Go here that time. Let's see what Corey's trying to see. Alright, get right past her. Corner. It looks like a storm ball right there. That's a storm ball. So defense on the two balls are very good. First year. And phase 2 got nothing but air at time. Looks like a little struggle with her between two rapid storms. Try to see what happens here. Number 3 right here, you know. 20. It looks like just probably got the rebound right there too. There. Shoot. So that number 3, 32 K was there. He's doing pretty good. He's going out and get past the defense right there. Jump ball right there. Well, we're getting close to the game here. Probably some trouble between Rapid and Storm here. Well, you know, they have to give it best, you know. We'll have bring you in. Start here and post-game report here. Fly and a little high on Valley Everett for sure. That has my way of saying keep the ball a little bit high. I think Chris threw a foul on it. I should have been called a foul on Chris. That's just fine, thank you. So yeah, shoot. No good. 43 right, just ball out of okay. The 5 shoot. No good that time. Oh, I jump.
43. Blue. Green.
We'll probably a foul on 43 right now. We'll probably recall and call on number 43. Good ball, yeah. That'll be 43. They know the 3. Pressure, right there. This is fire. This is right too. That should be bad. Yeah, that was close. This is right too far. On number 55. The best shot so far in the game here. You got to see right there. Boy, we're probably still a little bit more closer. 42 there. Yeah, nothing but air that time. Yeah, nothing but air that time. Great pass here. His boy. That was an effort pass by Sioux Falls. Best Sioux pass I ever seen. Well, I seen it's kind of like an NBA type pass here. His right over for 3. Over Rainbow. No, over Rainbow right there. I think Jerry really upset about this now. I heard the N-word from Justin herself, so that was a racist. Well, I think one of the coaches in his office today, but I think right here, 4 and 5. Hey, Mr. Murphy! Right, this is a little bit closer. I play a little bit better than the first half. A little bit better than the first half here. Well, we're going to try to both games. Oh boy, yeah, busted by, we're trying to play them by 8. Well, we're trying to get to the final seconds of the game. Number 65 goes. There's your pretty good hand by number 65. Number 52. Hey, Master Mustard! Good shot. Good shot. Right. It's supposed to be the game here. There's 4. Yeah, busted by. So it's by 8 right now. By the rest of the game going 7 there. That's too tall.
Blue ball or gold ball, not even gold ball score.
Okay, that was a bad call and a referee. Like I said, that's a game or go to post game. 31, 21. Sioux Falls.
What's going on, man?
Hey, I think you okay, my friend? See why you kind of stressed out.
I think I'm gonna go in the bathroom and have a fucking seizure.
See here, no. Oh, yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom and just fucking kill myself.
You might have
So
if
yeah.
you might need to go to crisis care or something like that, just, you know. Yeah, how you concerned about this, buddy? Well,
I'll be right back.
hey. I apologize for Justin here, you know. Very nice of her. I apologize for Justin. He might be talking this and something like that here, you know. So I got to interview Justin here. Say you might need to probably go to crisis care or something like that here, you know. Hope Justin's doing okay, you know. I'll pray for him if he'll get okay. Oh, okay. Hey. Hey, oh, how you doing? Well, you guys here put a great effort, you know.
Thank you. You guys played tough.
I know.
They just made the good shot.
Yeah. Hey, referee, how you doing today?
What's up?
How you doing today? That's good.